Hello dear all, welcome to our channel Smart Indian Model School. Smart Indian Model School present Smart Indian EduFun classes. EduFun online classes includes course studies of playgroup to class 12, emotional and communication skills, happiness classes and DIY activities.
Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. Today we are gonna start identity 6. We already have studied 5 of the identities, so it's time to study identity 6. What is this? So identity number 6 is whole cube of x plus y. The expansion of whole cube of x plus y is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy and then bracket x plus y. It is the expansion of whole cube of x plus y. The expansion of whole cube of x plus y is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy and bracket x plus y. It is the first step of this identity. Let's move to its next step. Its next step will be the multiplication of 3xy and this bracket only, and the remaining terms will be written as it is. So x cube will remain x cube plus y cube will remain y cube. Now it's time to multiply 3xy to x, and then we will multiply this 3xy to y. First of all, we will multiply this 3xy to this x. So 3 will remain 3, but x when multiplied by x will become x square and y will be only y. Now we will multiply this 3 to this 3xy to this y. When we will multiply them, we get 3x. But now when y multiplied by y, we get y square. So here we got x square and here we got y square. So the expansion of whole cube of x plus y is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. It is just a first step, but if we express it in longest form, or we can say that we are expressing it in more expressive form, so we will multiply this 3xy to this bracket also. We will cancel this bracket. So when we want to remove this bracket, we need to multiply this 3xy to this x first and again this 3xy to this y. So we will get x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square when we multiply this 3xy to this x plus y. Let's move to the question, how we solve the question and what kind of question we get regarding to this identity. But first you need to learn this identity. To understand the concept of this identity, now we are taking example number 22 from your NCERT book, and in this example it is given that it is written that expand, and its first part is 3a plus 4b and its whole cube. So we have to expand whole cube of 3a plus 4b. As you can imagine that it is our x and it is our y. So it is a form of whole cube of x plus y, where the value of x is 3a and the value of y is 4b. So the very first we will express it. So here our first step will be whole cube of x. What was the expansion of x whole cube of x plus y? The expansion was x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. So first we will apply this step to this question. X cube means whole cube of 3a plus y cube means whole cube of 4b, then plus 3xy. 3xy means 3 and the value of x will be 3a and the value of y will be 4b. After that, bracket x plus y. X plus y means 3a plus 4b. 3a plus 4b. Now, what was the next step? Next step was expressing these also. So, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square means we need to multiply this 3xy to this bracket. So we will multiply these term to this bracket. But before we multiply this term to this bracket, we need to solve it also. First we will solve it, then in our next step we will multiply to this bracket. So our next step will be whole cube of 3a. Whole cube of 3a means to multiply 3 times to itself, means 3 into 3 into 3. That is 3 3 is 9 and 9 3 is 27. So whole cube of 3a will be 27 and a cube. Now whole cube of 4b. So whole cube of 4b means to multiply 4 3 times to itself, means 4 into 4 into 4. So when we multiply 4 into 4 into 4 means 4 4 is 16 and 16 4 is 64. So the expansion of 4b cube will be 64 and b cube. When b multiplied 3 times, we get b cube, because when variables are multiplied to each other, we get the additive powers of them. Plus, now multiply this 3 to this 3. 3 3 is 9 and 9 4 is, tell me bachcho, imagine what are the 9 4 is? Yes, 9 4 is 36. So we will get 36 and this a and this b with it, 36ab. So it is now calculated and this bracket will remain as it is, 3a plus 4b. It's time to multiply, or it's time to remove this bracket, because everything has been sorted out. Now we will remove this bracket. To remove this bracket, we need to multiply this 36ab to this 3a first and then this 36ab to this 4b. So our next step will be 27a cube plus 64b cube plus, when we multiply this 36 to this 3, so tell me bachcho, what will be the multiplication of 36 and 3? 36 3 is a, yes, tell me, 36 3 is a, of course, 108. And when this a multiplied by a, we get a square, as we get x square only. In the second step, we get x square, that is when a multiplied by a, we get a square, and y remain the same, means b will remain b. Now we will multiply this 36ab to this 4b. We will get 36 4 is 144, and in this step we get the square on y, not on x. So a of this 36ab will remain a, but when this b multiplied by this b, we get b square. So here is our answer, or the expansion of the given question, whole cube of 3a plus 4b.
यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आगे की वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन प्राप्त करने के लिए कृपया बेल बटन दबाएं और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल ऑफ एडुफन क्लासेस। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।